Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here. So let's talk about the oh so popular Jade Roller. If you guys do a quick search on Instagram, you will see tons of posts on Jade Roller. So what is it, what's the big deal, and how do you use it? So I like this one because there's a big end and there's a small end. So what you want to do is you want to kind of use the tinier end for around this eye area here. So you want to go along and move outwards, okay? You don't want to go back and forth like this. You want to move outwards. Here, I'll move a little bit closer, like this, okay, you guys? And the true test is if you have a true Jade Roller. If you hold it in the palm of your hand, does it get warm? If it does, it's not a true jade warmer because, or sorry, a jade roller. I said warmer, but I meant roller because you want it to stay cool. That's the whole point of spending the big bucks on one of these things is you want it to stay cool. You can spend anywhere from like $5 to hundreds. You don't need to spend $100, I don't think, but don't get the super duper cheap one. Hold it in the palm of your hand if you can. If it warms up, it's not doing as much as you want it to because the point of these are you want to actually help to move that lymphatic liquid away from your face. So what does that do? That helps to reduce inflammation because if you have too much inflammation along here especially, your eye area starts to swell up a little bit. Not right away. It doesn't look like an allergic reaction or anything, but if you look at yourself now, if there's puffiness here, there's some slight inflammation. So use this on a regular basis and really go to massage it out, okay? It is amazing. It works wonders. It works better than just sort of taking your own hands and just kind of massaging out. This works even better. Take it a step further and put on a mask or a serum. Either or works, and you want to massage outwards. Okay, so let's say you want to do your cheek area. Take the bigger side, massage outwards. Push firmly because you want it to really help to circulate everything in there. Okay, so you want to massage outwards like this again. Spend a couple minutes doing that. Spend 5 minutes and it does actually feel quite nice. Use the tinier end to even, let's say, get the chin area here. Even do a search on YouTube of people using this, and that's what they suggest. The key point is to massage outwards in one direction. You don't want to go back and forth because it's not working as well. Use this, you will definitely notice a difference in your skin over a couple days. I kind of felt I noticed a difference right away, but that could just be mind over matter, who knows? Again, take it a step further and put a serum on and then use it, or a mask if you don't happen to have a serum handy, and massage outwards. It is the best tool you will have. It's not that expensive. I can leave a link for you guys on the bottom for one from Amazon. Love Amazon. And this just looks nice too, doesn't it? It's just kind of cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.